Well, here in Leicester, one of the best places for entertainment is the Curve Theatre, which holds about 10 high-end theatre productions each year. It is actually the only one in the UK not to have a backstage, so it means after the show, you're rubbing shoulders with all the stars. Well, we've got some great places for live music here in Leicester. For example, we've got the SoundHouse, who put on gigs for local artists and bands. And also, if you fancy giving it a go, they do have an open mic night every Tuesday. Another great little live music venue is the Firebug on Millstone Lane. Famous names like Foles and Russell Howard have both sold out this venue that barely holds 100 people. Well, here in Leicester we are home to the Leicester City Football Club, who recently made history as they won the Premier League as massive underdogs, and that made such a huge impact on the city. It really was amazing.